trying to chase off and grab every muley he could. A seagull came, picked up the muley, so he picked up the seagull with the muley and swallowed it. And so we've got a video of us fishing open this seagull out of his pouch. So breeding season is any time from your oysters. This is kind of funny, but it's also very bolshy behaviour. So, like that. Exactly like that. He's not starving, but it is known also in times of hunger. They will drown the occasional seagull, hold them underwater and then swallow them. So they can take quite large amounts into their... Oh my God.